Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Blum with Synergy Chiropractic and Sports Rehabilitation Center. Today, I'd like to talk to you about chiropractic adjustments. Now, a lot of people may be scared of the cracking, the popping, the snapping. They just don't want it. And what if you're really, really tight? As a doctor, I don't want to muscle through you. If you have a hot low back with a disc issue, I'm not going to put you on your side. That's only going to irritate you. So what are some other options? Well, I utilize a very special technique. It's called the McDougall technique. What it does is it utilizes a drop table. So let me show you how easy this technique is on your body. So Chrissy, can I have you lay down, please? What we do is we look at alignment. I start on the low at her feet, and I could see this leg is shorter than this leg. It doesn't mean she really has a short leg, but her pelvis is rotated forward, which is pulling her leg up. So how do we fix it? Well, if I come over here, the table will pop up and drop down. So I'm able to do a number of different ways to get things back. Now I come back, reassess her, and her feet are even and her pelvis is stable. I could adjust the ankles this way, her mid-back. I could even adjust her neck just by having this, let me have you scoot down a tad. There you go. This pops up and I just adjusted her neck. I didn't have to twist it, torque it, or anything. It's a very nice, gentle technique. If you're looking for a different way to be adjusted and you're a little worried about the regular diversified adjustment, let me try the McDougall drop technique on you. Give our office a call, 805-492-1500. Look us up on the web, heallikeapro.com, and I look forward to helping you out. Have a great day.